In this video, you will learn how to use ZIA configuration to scan, audit, and automatically document Microsoft Azure. To scan Azure, create a new Azure tenant scan task. Create a service principal with a certificate. Or select an authentication type, then enter the details. Alternatively, to scan interactively using MFA, use the Microsoft Online Agent UI. For more information, please view the admin guide. To view your Azure configuration, right-click the Azure tenant item, then select Properties. Browse Azure configuration using the tree view on the left. View detailed configuration on the right. To generate Azure documentation, click Save as PDF. Click Azure Tenant Options to select the components to include in the document. Click the Generate Document button to create the PDF. To compare Azure configuration, click Compare. Select the version and component to compare. Use reports to audit your Azure settings. Browse the built-in Azure reports using the tree view on the left. Execute reports on the right. Report against specific containers or other criteria. Output to CSV, PDF, or on screen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find out more about ZIA configuration, please go to central-solutions.com/ZIA configuration.